I leave it. I leave it till it start now. Why? That one is wrong. No, why can't it? That is where it was talking. I knew it was going to start with there. Now, you see where we are supposed to go. It is on opposite direction.
Opposite direction, meaning that you have to first open down, you change, you rotate it.
Of course, you have to play with the thing here. At first, whoever agreed that to wait. Now, instead of we waiting, come out and we share from here. When this one is here now, for us to remove, where will the slot be? So come and see the inner slot. Can you make a half revolution of that?
Insani Japani. Distributor.
Now we are going to hold.
This is the distributor. Jaya Kasumari.
Don't put that Kasumari. Right? As if they are adding a bit. Bring back. Somewhere there, but you are saying where the logging point.
So zikizo demo kube.
How you put the ball?
Not aligned.
Because that will not change.
Because now there you would have confirmed that this is where it starts from.
After that,
then you remove and put silicone.
You don't return this kind of You don't shake the head. Just put your silicone, put that. But the corner that is okay. No, that one is now okay.
Distributor.
That is now okay. You wait to put it in the timing mark. You're saying it is okay. We are here to